How to fix Snapchat camera not focusing. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix the Snapchat camera not focusing. The first thing you want to do is restart the application. You want to close the app completely and restart that. A quick refresh can resolve minor glitches. Next thing you want to do is ensure that the camera lens is clean and free of dirt or smudges, as this can cause blurry photos. Now, the next thing you can do is check the Snapchat permissions. For this, you want to tap and hold on Snapchat and tap on this I button, which will take you to the app info. Now, you want to tap on the permissions option. Here, make sure that the camera option is allowed. If it is on don't allow, tap on the allow option. Along with that, you also want to make sure the microphone and photos and videos option is also allowed. Then you want to head back. Now tap on the storage option. Here, you want to tap on the clear cache option. This will clear any stored data that might be affecting the camera functionality. Now, if that doesn't fixes your issue, you want to open up Play Store or App Store. Then you want to search for the Snapchat app over here. Now, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Updating the application will fix bugs and performance issue. Now, you also want to make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. Sometimes a poor internet connection can interfere with the app's ability to load features properly. With all of these steps, you will be able to fix the camera not focusing issue, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.